A mobile money account is like having a wallet on your phone. With mobile money, you can send and receive money from people and make payments just using your phone without having a bank account. Unlike with cash, you do not have to carry money around if you want to pay for things. This means that it's easier, faster, and safer. Register on mobile money and use it safely. If you don't already have a mobile money account, you will first need a SIM card from your mobile operator. Once you have a SIM card, your mobile money agent will be able to help you register for mobile money. You may need to complete a form with some personal information. In order to register for mobile money, you will need to have an ID document like a passport, driving license, or voter's card. To start using or paying with mobile money, you need to deposit money in your account at your operator's agent or at some ATMs depending on your country. You will go to your agent every time you need to deposit or withdraw money from your account. Once you have completed these steps, you will have a mobile money account and you can start using mobile money. Your PIN number is a personal number that will be created for you when you create your mobile money account. You need to keep this safe and be careful about sharing this number with anyone, even mobile money agents or customer care staff. It is better to hide your screen and keep your fingers covered when entering your PIN. If you think somebody else might have discovered your PIN, contact your mobile money agent to learn how to change it. Depending on your mobile operator with mobile money, you will be able to send money to family or friends that live a long distance away, pay businesses or traders in the local market so you don't have to carry cash, pay a utility bill or school fees immediately, send and receive money from people outside of the country, pay for goods and services from a range of businesses, earn an interest on your savings, take out a loan. Mobile money will make your transactions easier, faster, and safer. Do you want to try it now? Visit your operator store ASAP and create your account to start making the most of mobile money.